Hey, if you watching this video right now and you like my content, I know y'all don't watch some of my other videos. I've been checking my stats and it's saying that more people are watching my videos who are not subscribed than the ones who are subscribed. So if you like my content, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you will be notified every single time I post a video, unless YouTube is tripping, because sometimes they be tripping. And also you can follow your girl on Instagram and join that Print Squad group on Facebook. And if you want to get in shape, I have a second channel called Get Fit with Sin, where I work out Monday through Friday at 8:30 a.m. Central Time. So check your girl out. It's your girl Sin and I'm back with another video. So if you want to see what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright squad, as you guys know, I recently purchased a sewing machine and I actually uploaded a video of my first time just dealing with the machine and threading the machine. I ended up having to remove it from YouTube, so a lot of you did not even get a chance to watch that video, and I'm sorry about that. But today your girl is doing another sewing video. So we gonna see, I'm gonna let you guys see what I'm gonna be sewing. It's not really nothing big, but to people that have never sewn, such as myself, you know, just something to see that I can actually sew. So I'm gonna let you guys see what I am going to be sewing. All right, right here, as you see right here, this is a little pouch that I keep. Like, I have a lot of different ones like this, but with this one I keep like my USB cables, and as you see, it's one sticking out right here. I keep my USB cables, charging block in here, just like so. So basically what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to flip this bad boy inside out and I'm going to see if I can actually repair this hole. I think this is just simple enough for me to do it without actually having sewing instructions. I did take a sewing training class where I actually sewed on paper just to try to keep it in a straight line and doing a curve and a square and stuff like that. I did that and I threaded the machine, and now I'm going to see if I can actually sew something. So I'm going to let you guys see what I know. Alright, now on the other video I did have someone that gave me some advice. I can't remember who it is right now. For some reason I want to say it might have been Denise, but just to keep from making a mistake, I'm not sure, but they told me that my table was too low. So I'm going to show you right here. That was the table that I had it on, which is a coffee table. So today I'm going to be moving it to this other table right here, and we're going to see what this one, how this one does with it. Alright, so let me see. I'm kind of in a not a really good area right now, but I was thinking about getting a sewing table. I probably will, but I didn't want to be spending so much money until I know this is what I'm gonna be doing, because like if right now I only have the machine, it wouldn't be much to sell the machine because it's a good brand machine. So right here I'm gonna go ahead and take my machine, set it up on this bad boy right here. Maybe I'll have to turn it to the side like this so that y'all can see it a little better. But I'm going to set it up on here, right here. And I'm going to go ahead and take my foot. Let me move this over here. Go ahead, plug in my sewing machine foot and go ahead and do that. And plug in the power cord on the machine. So we got that right here. Alright, then I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Have an extension cord right over here. Alright, and I'm going to put my foot part on the floor right here. Alright, so I'm gonna turn the machine this way so hopefully y'all can see what your girl is doing. Go ahead, flip the power switch on the machine. And it's on, it's working, the machine is working. So I do have my foot pedal down here, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this and just kind of line it up on here I'm gonna just sew all the way across from the whole thing, and I'm gonna try to zoom in on it so y'all can see it better. Alright, hopefully y'all can see this better. And I know this ain't nothing that serious, but this is my first time actually sewing something. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to sew and see if this works. And then I know that you want to back stitch. Okay, and then you're gonna start sewing. Okay, and I'm gonna want to back stitch a little bit. Then go ahead and sew it all the way through. And I don't have my scissors right by me. I got them over here. So when you're sewing like this, I think you want to have your scissors close by. So I got my scissors right here. Go ahead and pull the thread out a little bit and cut it. Alright. So make sure that stays out. So this is what I just sewed right here. It ain't nothing super serious, but right here, as you guys see, it does not have the hole in it anymore. So your girl just repaired her first item right there. You see that? Alright, so your girl just sewed her first item. I'm gonna go ahead and put the items back in here and let you guys check it out. I know this was a super short and simple video, but look, I'm telling you, it looks professional, y'all. Look what your girl did. Look what your girl did right there. It looks professional. Yeah, it came out good. Your girl might be able to do this after all. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to grab my things and put them back in here and let y'all see that your girl have fixed something. So, hey, this sewing thing, once I learned how to sew something, I mean, all this was a little simple video. Just a little simple video, but as you see now, I don't have to worry about losing anything out. The holes are filled in, and that's it. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you like the video and want more sewing videos, please hit that like button and let your girl know. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this video. And you can follow the girl on Instagram at TshirtChick TV. And that's about all I have. I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in another video. Prince Squad out.